Hi, welcome to Wareham Free Library's second half of the story time about rain. As always, we're going to do signs about our story since our story was enjoying the rain. So rain we've done before. Your hands out in front of you, fingers extended and going downward, wiggling your fingers. Rain, rain. Now, lightning is your hand with your pointer finger up. You raise it up above your head and you zigzag down. But lightning is fast, so it's really lightning, lightning, lightning. And with lightning comes thunder. Now we hear thunder, so it's that same hand with your finger, point to your ear, and then shake your hands. Thunder, thunder. Thunder. Those are always fast signs because it's kind of violent weather. Now we're going back to calmer weather, just rain, and our craft is going to be cutting and coloring and gluing an umbrella. So we do have a template for the umbrella. This is it when it's plain on the paper, so you will have a template. And then once you glue it down, color it any colors. You could also put lines for squiggles or circles like her umbrella had, or raindrops. And then for real raindrops, I use glitter glue because it gives you the texture, plus it's shiny, but you could finger paint, do whatever you wanted for your picture. We also have a couple of coloring sheets with umbrellas too, one fancier that you could use. Now, I haven't done our songs yet, so I have Itsy Bitsy Spider. Let's get our Itsy Bitsy Spider ready. The Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. We're gonna do a second verse of that song. We're gonna do it faster this time. Are you ready? The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. Good job, everyone. We also have links on our website, as usual. We have first from Easy Geography for Kids, all about rain, so learning about rain and the rain cycle. The second link is from Weather Whiz Kids, and it's more about rain and precipitation with experiments. Precipitation is another word for either rain or snow, anything that falls. Then our third link is from the National Weather Service, and it's weather science for kids and teens, so there's some older things also. Our next link is Learn About Meteorology, and that also has activity links from Blocks Rock. And our last is 31 rain-inspired crafts from A Crafty Life. I hope you enjoyed listening to our story and learning our signs and seeing our crafts. Thank you for listening.